What's happening in Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Detroit, Chicago, Ohio, Canada, Florida, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran? This is your girl, Miss Martha the Gospel Diva. I just came to chime in and tell you guys thank you so much, Indies, for being on the WGII network on Spreaker. I want to give it up for you guys. Kudos. Thank you so much. What's happening Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Detroit, Chicago, Ohio, Canada, Florida, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran. I want you guys to know that we are the #1 station on the www.spreaker.com/user/the gospel 411. I want you guys to get ready for Sunday, 3 o'clock. Pacific Standard Times. Get the ride in, man. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys worldwide. Hawaii, Wisconsin, Chicago, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, CPT, Ingle Wild, all my friends in Chi-Town, Ohio, Canada, Florida, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran. Keep getting it in, you guys, on the www.spreaker.com/user/the gospel 411. Get ready for the ride on Sunday, 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. You heard it first from your Diva Fever, baby. Gospel Diva, blessings to you all. Peace.